When I first came to the rainforest in Central America, one creature above all stood out: the spider monkey. This monkey helps with seed dispersal, and their presence is essential to the overall health and biodiversity of the whole rainforest. We can better protect the spider monkeys if we listen closely and better understand nature's symphony. Upcycled Huawei phones act as the ears of the ecosystem. These phones call into the cloud every second of the day and night in the pouring rain, blistering sun, and dripping humidity. The way our technology is built actually involves these guardians, which are old smartphones in boxes up in trees, capturing all the audio of the forest, streaming it up into the cloud, and then in the cloud we analyze for different things. It's not just about detecting chainsaws anymore, vehicles and the rest. It's about understanding the fabric of nature, ecology of the forest, just through sound. The rainforest sounds are often too complex for humans to interpret, but technology can hear the many complex details of this symphony.
AI makes it possible. At the moment I'm collecting 200,000 hours of data, so without AI we can't physically analyse these large data sets.
The more we know about them, the easier it is to protect them, and the easier it is for us to show the world that they matter. And that is part of our mission as well.